Wednesday, I addressed a joint session of Congress and the American people about why we need health insurance reform and what it will take to do it.
And of course, we have agreed on the joint vision for the future, and I think this is a testament of our common commitment. Because for the last 60 years, since the Korean War, our relationship has been one of a strong security alliance and a partnership.
In Moscow, we will continue to explore ways in which the United States and Russia can advance our common interests, including our joint commitment to reducing our nuclear arsenals and strengthening the global non-proliferation regime. The House suggested a surcharge on wealthy Americans, and my understanding, although I haven't seen the final versions, is that there's been talk about making that basically only apply to families whose joint income is $1 million. To me, together we can chart a low-carbon recovery. We can expand joint efforts at research and development to promote the clean and efficient use of energy. And we can work together to forge a global response at the climate change conference in Copenhagen and beyond. Also discussing important regional issues, ranging from the importance of moving the Arab-Israeli peace process forward to the situation in Afghanistan, our joint counterterrorism efforts, and our need to emphasize Iran meeting its international obligations. I'm confident.
And of course, we always value joint cooperation with the United States on defense and security matters.
The United States military plays a large and vital role in the full honors ceremony as they provide the music, the national anthems, the 19-gun salute, the Joint Service Military Honor Cordon, and red carpet.
And you will see the agreements between us on this reflected in the joint communique that I hope is coming up or is already issued.
He speaks before a joint session of Congress tomorrow. I believe the American people will see what I see. They'll see a leader who is guiding his country through very difficult times with vision and with courage, and he has been an outstanding partner to me and an outstanding partner to the United States. I fondly recall the speech that she delivered in a joint session of Congress when I was still in the Senate.
Nowhere is the need for a joint African Union, United Nations strategy and a coordinated approach more vital and more imperative.
We have agreed to broaden our strategic dialogue to cover other regions and areas and initiate joint projects in Africa and Afghanistan.